Okay, so on to question 16. How is Q equal MC delta T used? What does each variable represent? What are the units of the variable? How does it work? Okay, so I'll break down all of the units and all the variables. So Q represents the heat transferred. In the reaction. And it can have a units of joules or kilojoules, and you need to convert to joules. But basically, it could be given in your question. M is for mass, and typically it is given in kilograms or grams. C stands for the specific heat capacity. And its units are in joules divided by grams times degrees Celsius. And finally, delta T resembles the change in temperature. So delta T can also be written as delta T equals T final minus T initial. So a question might give you the temperature at the beginning of the reaction and the temperature at the end. So the difference between the two would just be the change in temperature. And this is in degrees Celsius, or it might be given in Kelvin. So it all depends on the units for the specific heat capacity. So if they give you the units in joules over grams times degrees Celsius, then we would need to convert kelvins to degrees Celsius, convert kilograms to grams, and convert kilojoules to joules, just so that everything is in the same units. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. The equation Q equals mc delta T represents the amount of heat supplied to a given object with a mass and specific heat capacity multiplied to the change in temperature delta T it causes. The specific heat capacity is an intensive property of a material which is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise its temperature by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius. Q equals the amount of heat transferred. Mass of the object is m. C is the specific heat capacity. Delta T is the change in temperature. Yep, so this solution is correct.